Welcome to HVAC exam practice test. Our topic today is practice test number 12. Download the app by using the link in the description or by searching HVAC TruePrep AI Tutor in the App Store and Google Play to access more exam-like practice tests. Question 1. Solid fuels such as wood and coal are being burned in boilers in a number of designs. The most popular and best known are blank space. A. Coal burners. B. Boiler makers. C. Mass burners. D. Stokers. The correct answer is D. Stokers. Explanation. Stokers are designed to automatically feed solid fuel into a furnace for efficient combustion. While mass burners and other systems exist, stokers are the most widely used because they provide consistent burning, reduce manual labor, and allow for better control of the combustion process. Question 2. In solid fuel burners, the speed at which the fuel bed travels is automatically adjusted under the control of the boiler pressure. As the fuel bed travels, the combustion air is fed to a plenum chamber beneath the stoker, flows upward through the fuel bed, and is simultaneously controlled by blank space. A. Damper fans. B. Air jets. C. Air dampers. D. Air updrafts. The correct answer is C. Air dampers. Explanation. Air dampers regulate the amount of combustion air that passes through the fuel bed. This control ensures complete combustion and helps match the air supply with the fuel feed rate. Other terms like air jets or fans describe airflow, but the actual control mechanism in this setup is the damper system. Question 3. The train ductulator simplifies the manual process of sizing ductwork based on the equal blank space methodology. A. Static pressure. B. Velocity. C. Friction. And D. Flow. The correct answer is C. Friction. Explanation. The equal friction method ensures a consistent pressure drop per unit length throughout the duct system. The train ductulator makes this calculation easier by balancing airflow, duct size, and pressure drop, preventing uneven distribution of air in the system. Question 4. Why should refrigerant piping be purged with dry nitrogen when brazing? A. To increase heat transfer. B. To clean oil residues. C. To improve pressure control. D. To eliminate internal debris. The correct answer is D. To eliminate internal debris. Explanation. When brazing without nitrogen, oxygen in the air causes oxidation inside the pipes, leaving behind scale and debris that can clog the system. Nitrogen acts as an inert shielding gas, preventing oxidation and keeping the interior of the piping clean and free from contaminants. Question 5. Plume discharges from cooling towers must be located to prevent the discharge vapor plumes from entering occupied spaces. Plume discharges shall not be less than blank space, feet above or 20 feet away from any ventilation inlet to a building. A. 30. B. 5. C. 10. D. 20. The correct answer is C. 10. Explanation. Cooling tower plumes contain water vapor and sometimes chemical residues. To prevent this vapor from re-entering the building through air intakes, standards require discharge points at least 10 feet above or 20 feet away from ventilation inlets. This placement ensures safety and indoor air quality. Question 6. Desiccants are exceptionally effective at maintaining blank space humidity. A. Low. B. Excessive. C. High. D. Relative. The correct answer is A. Low. Explanation. Desiccants absorb moisture from the air, making them highly effective for maintaining low humidity environments. This process is important in HVAC systems because it prevents mold growth, improves comfort, and enhances system efficiency. They do not maintain high or excessive humidity, only reduce it. Question 7. Which of the following gases should never be used to pressurize a refrigeration system? A. Nitrogen. B. Hydrogen. C. Chlorine. D. Acetylene. The correct answer is D. Acetylene. Explanation. Acetylene is extremely flammable and unstable under pressure, making it dangerous in refrigeration testing. Instead, nitrogen is commonly used because it is inert and safe. Hydrogen and chlorine are also unsuitable, but acetylene poses the greatest hazard. Question 8. Before you attempt to service any refrigeration system, make sure that the main circuit breaker is open and all power is off. A. False. B. True. The correct answer is B. True. Explanation. Shutting off the main breaker is a critical safety precaution. Refrigeration systems contain high-voltage components, and accidental contact can cause severe electric shock or even death. De-energizing the system ensures that service work can be performed safely. Question 9. You should protect motors with properly rated fuses and/or overload cutouts. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Explanation. Motors can overheat or short circuit if exposed to excess current. Fuses and overload cutouts are designed to stop current flow when it exceeds safe limits, protecting both the motor and the circuit. This prevents damage and extends motor life. Question 10. The National Electrical Code has established standards that apply to the control and protection of motors and their associated circuits. A. False. B. True. The correct answer is B. True. Explanation. The NEC provides detailed guidelines on motor circuits, covering everything from wiring size to overload protection. These standards ensure consistent safety practices nationwide, preventing fire hazards and ensuring equipment operates within safe limits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.